Okay, our next practical is limit test for sulfate. To perform and report the limit test for sulfate on given sample as per IP, that is Indian Pharmacopoeia. Today we are going to use sodium bicarbonate as a test sample for performing. We have to check whether sodium bicarbonate consists some traces of sulfate or not. That is our today's aim. So chemical interaction is that in last practical we have seen the videos on YouTube link also we have seen the limit test for sulfate. I have shared the link with you. The limit test for sulfate depends upon the interaction of soluble sulfate with barium chloride in presence of alcohol and potassium sulfate. तर इथे बेरियम क्लोराइड अल्कोहोल आणि पोटॅशियम सल्फेटचा वापर केला जातोय. Deposition of solid particle of a sulfate as a barium sulfate. This will be the final observations as an opalescence or PPT. In previous practical we have seen what is opalescence or what is PPT. Barium chloride, alcohol and potassium sulfate, it is used for the purpose, for an example, alcohol prevents the supersaturation, whereas potassium sulfate increases sensitivity of the test by giving ionic concentration in the reagent which exceeds solubility product of barium sulfate. अल्कोहोल काय करतं, सुपर सॅच्युरेशन. आपण मागच्या प्रॅक्टिकलमध्ये बघितलेलं आहे का सुपर सॅच्युरेशन म्हणजे काय. का एक अशी स्टेज येते का ज्यावेळेस साखर पाण्यामध्ये विरघळत नाही. शुगर इज नॉट गेटिंग डिझॉल्व्ड इन वॉटर आफ्टर एक्सेस ॲडिशन ऑफ शुगर. दॅट पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड इट ॲज अन सुपर सॅच्युरेशन. वेअर ॲज पोटॅशियम सल्फेट इज ॲडेड टू गिव्ह आयोनिक कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन इन द रिएजंट. आयन्समध्ये स्प्लिटअप होतील जेणेकरून सोल्युबिलिटी वाढेल. And final thing is we have to compare the test sample with the standard. Either the opalescence is observed, turbidity or PPT. Chemical reaction is barium chloride plus sulfate, it will give barium sulfate and chloride ion will be, there will be formation. Barium sulfate PPT will form. This is general concept, that is for standard solution take 25% weight by volume barium chloride, add ethanolic sulfate standard solution, 5 molar acetic acid and opalescence which will be compared with the test solution. Requirements are same, that is Nessler cylinder, then measuring cylinder, glass rod, pipettes. Chemicals are bicarbonate, calcium gluconate, purified water, alcohol, barium sulfate, etc. Steps for standards, that is take 1 ml of 25% weight by volume of barium chloride in the Nessler cylinder. Then you have to add ethanolic sulfate. Then you have to wait for 1 minute. Add 5 molar acetic acid and make the volume up to 50 ml and allow to stand for 5 minutes. This is stepwise procedure for standard. Whereas we are going to take sodium bicarbonate. Take 1 ml of 25% weight by volume of barium chloride. Again add ethanolic sulfate. Mix it, allow to stand for 1 minute. Then you have to add sodium bicarbonate. Bicarbonate म्हणजे ज्याला बेकिंग सोडा आपण म्हणतोय. Add 10 ml of distilled water which will neutralize the excess acid. Dilute it to 15 ml with distilled water. 0.15 ml of 5 molar acetic acid. Make the volume up to 50 ml. Allow to stand for 5 minutes and compare against the black background. So these are the two Nessler cylinder which we are going to use. One is marked with T and another is not marked. The unmarked is a standard one. So we will go stepwise. You have to add 1 ml of 25% weight by volume of barium chloride in the cylinder. Then we have to add 1.5 ml of ethanolic sulfate standard, 1.5 ml. I can take 0.5 ml.
Is 0.15 ना सर?
0.15. Make the volume up to 50 ml. And allow to stand it for 5 minutes. Now we will see the procedure for sodium bicarbonate in using the test Nessler cylinder. First you will add 1 ml of 25% barium chloride. Nessler cylinder को पकड़ो. Then add 1.5 ml of ethanolic sulfate standard. Then weigh 1 gram of sodium bicarbonate. Add 1 gram of sodium bicarbonate into the test Nessler cylinder. You can see that there is a formation of white PPT at the basement. Then you have to add 0.15 ml of 5 molar acetic acid. Then make the volume 50 ml using distilled water up to the mark. And allow it to stand for 5 minutes and compare the standard. This is standard and this is test. Compare the standard and test against the black background and report the observations. So after 5 minutes we have to go for the observations, and for 3 samples the observation are given. Our sample was number 2, opalescence produced by sodium bicarbonate, whether it is less, same or more, that we have to report. And then you have to write the result, that is result number 2. The given sample of sodium bicarbonate, whether it complies, म्हणजे ते IP च्या बरोबर चालतं, or it does not complies the limit test for sulfate as per Indian Pharmacopoeia 1996. Now you can see and you can judge the observation. This one is standard and this is test. You can see at the basement there is a formation of PPT, and this PPT is barium sulfate PPT. So our given sample of sodium bicarbonate, it does not complies the limit test for sulfate as per IP 1996. So hope you have understood this limit test of sulfate. Okay. In this you have to write down the questions, that is question number 1, what is the meaning of impurities, define supersaturation, meaning of opalescence. Question number 8, what is the use of barium chloride and potassium sulfate and alcohol in the limit test of sulfate. Okay, and limit test has been asked in your final examination. The question is asked related to the reaction principle of barium limit test for sulfate, so you have to read it very carefully. Okay, So up till now we have completed limit test of chloride and limit test of sulfate. Hope you understood this limit test. Thank you all of you.